Never mind. Hey guys! Today we're making jiggly slime. The ingredients you'll be needing are some Elmer's glue and some borax solution, some water. So, and you're also going to need something to mix with and something to mix in. I already added the glue because I didn't know I was going to make a video. I just decided to make a video just right now. So I'm just going to add the water, a little bit of water. At the top. So that's how much you're going to put. Now take your mixing tool and mix whatever. I'm munching the chipmunks, that's right. I'm looking right there. So, yeah. This is a new one. Is that a new one, Kevin?
Bro, you're not even recording it.
Yeah, I am. Now you're gonna add the borax solution.
Not yet. What about now? No, Theodore, not yet. Guys, come on, don't worry. Don't worry. I honestly, I have a sort of sixth sense.
Oops.
I can just feel it any second now. In fact, I think it's going to start to go.
It's showing my face.
Now, see? I called it. We got one? Oh, we sure did. We got a few. Oh, let's see who it is. Oh, perfect. Username is Candy Lover. I wonder who that could be. What? Theodore, what do you have behind your back? My butt. Besides your butt. Theodore, how could you? Well, I was so depressed, so I was just trying to help. Theodore, we can't, vote ourselves most popular, okay? It doesn't work that way. We need real views. You don't count. A comment. Oh, really? What's it say? Alvin Stinks. Oh, Theodore! Guys, just calm down a minute, okay? We're going to beat this program I wrote with every viral video out there. When it's done, it'll tell us exactly what we should put in our video to make sure we go viral. Yes, that is a great idea. But it's going to take my program a little while to sort all that out. Wait, how long? Let's see. Well,
So you're just gonna mix well.
tomorrow morning. That's fine. That's all right.
And as you can see, it's turning into slime, and I have to make sure that I say subscribe, like, and share. I'm sorry guys, I'm in a rush, I'm going somewhere, so bye.